Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add DNS records to Squarespace domain. First, head over to Squarespace and log in to your account. Once you're in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Domains from the drop-down menu. You'll now see a list of your domains. Click on the one where you want to add DNS records. Next, click on DNS from the left-hand panel. You might see a message saying that you need to switch to Squarespace name server to activate DNS records. To do that, go to Domain Name Servers, then click Use Squarespace Name Servers, and confirm your selection. Once that's done, go back to your domain settings. You'll notice that the message is gone, which means DNS record is now active. Now, click Add Record. Here you can enter a host like www, choose a record type such as CNAME, and fill in the other required fields. Once you've entered everything correctly, just click Save. And that's it. That's how you add DNS records to your Squarespace domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.